Hi, can anyone help me with this? I have a Powermate 2400 PSI 2.3 GPM. What it does is I can't pull this lever. Anyone know what's going on? What I have to do to start my pressure washer? It's the Powermate 2400 2.3 GPM. I can't get this to going. I checked the oil, it's good, and power is on, and I have fuel, but this won't go further. I haven't used it in I would say 5 months. I need it now and I can't get this going. If anyone knows what's going on with this, please help me. Leave it in the comment and I'll take those steps. Thank you.